Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the object and opening material properties. This is essential because Blender links opacity to material nodes. Once done, add or confirm a principled BSDF shader and expose its alpha socket so you can drive transparency. Make sure to switch the render engine to Eevee for immediate feedback. Cycles can show transparency, but requires different render settings. You're acting now. Prepare the node you will edit. This ensures the opacity change affects both viewport and final renders. Now you edit nodes in the shader editor to control how and why the surface becomes transparent. First, add a transparent BSDF and create a mix shader that blends it with your principled BSDF. The mix factor determines visibility. Then connect an image texture alpha or a value node to the factor. 0 yields fully transparent, 1 keeps opaque, so you can paint or animate opacity. Once wired, tweak roughness and color to preserve visual consistency when transparency is introduced. Finish by enabling the correct blend mode in material settings. Alpha blend for smooth transitions, alpha hashed for cutout-like results, because without this change the shader's alpha is ignored in Eevee. Also set shadow mode to match your needs, otherwise shadows will look wrong. Once done, test in viewport render and final render, and animate the value or texture if you need dynamic fades. If transparency looks wrong, check normals, double-sided faces, and backface culling to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.